Hello, and welcome back to our introduction to Python programming series. In this particular lecture video, we are going to learn how to download and have Python installed on our PCs. So I have a web browser open here. So you have to open any web browser of your choice, then type Python download. So if it's for Mac, you have to select the Mac version. If it's for Windows, select the Windows version. So Python download. Then you come to the official Python website. You select this, download Python. I think this is the latest version currently. Then you select this. So the moment you select it, it gets downloaded here. Okay, so just have to launch it. Okay. So just click on install now. Let's give it some time. I think it's done installing. So to close this, open your search. Here you can press the Windows key and then search for Python, and then we have it here. You right click and then you open it. You can just left click on it, and you have it open here. So congratulations, you have been able to install Python on your PC.